Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, we talked about making different words become plural words by changing the Y at the end of the word to an I before we add an ES to the ending of it. We also talked about how it's important to look at the letter in front of the Y. So if I have a Y at the end, but there's a vowel before the Y, then I don't change that Y to an I. The only time I change the Y to an I is if there's a consonant as the letter right in front of the Y. So for today's assignment, you have some words listed down the left side of your page. You have library, candy, story, fly, ruby, copy, fairy, guppy, body, and bunny. If you notice, all of these words have a Y at the end. You are going to retype the words in the columns by changing the Y to an I before adding the ES to make it plural. So library will become libraries. Candy will become candies. The important thing here is that you have to spell the words correctly to get this right. So do your best, take your time, and we'll see how you do changing those Y's to I's before adding an ES to make it plural.